Dear students, revered parents and honorable teachers, today on 29th of August, we are celebrating National Sports Day. Let's talk about Fit India Movement first. Fit India Movement was launched by Honorable PM of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji, on 29th of August 2019, and that is 1 year back, on the occasion of the birthday of Major Dhyan Chand ji. He is also nicknamed as Magician of Wrist. It's a nationwide movement in India to encourage people to remain fit and healthy by including physical exercise and sports in their day-to-day lifestyle. The campaign has a fitness pledge that reads on: I, Yogendra Kumar Sharma, promise to myself that I will devote time for physical activity and sports every day, and I will encourage my family members and neighbors to be physically fit and make India a fit nation. Though Fit India term was founded in year 1993 and it was incorporated as a company in 2000, but now from the last year onwards it is celebrated nationwide on the National Sports Day, that is 29th of August. Many activities are to be conducted under this campaign of Fit India movement to make the people, especially students, to realize that they are citizens of a democratic country which is diverse in terms of culture, caste, religion and creed, yet there is unity in diversity. This movement stresses on the traditional games which are to be played by the teachers and students. It is said, if body is fit, then you would be mentally fit. Sports have a direct relation to fitness, but Fit India movement aims to go beyond fitness. It is not just a word, but an essential pillar to a healthy and prosperous life. When we prepare our bodies to battle, we make the country iron strong. In this unavoidable COVID-19 pandemic situation, also we can exercise daily, remaining at home, like performing yoga, indoor games and the same. These yoga exercises and these physical exercises, these are, as we can watch the videos of various personalities which are either of the Bollywood personalities or political personalities or the other sports personalities. They upload their videos on Instagram and YouTube of doing yoga at home or indoor games, playing indoor games likewise. A committee headed by Sports Minister Shri Kiran Rijiju and comprising government officials, members of Indian Olympic Association, National Sports Federation, private bodies and fitness promoters has been formed to take the movement forward. Fitness has always been an integral part of our culture, but there is indifference towards fitness issued now in present time. As we can notice, a few decades back, a normal person would walk 8 to 10 kilometers in a day, do cycling or run. So we should also follow our ancestors. Therefore, now it's my humble request to all the students, especially, to get up early and walk or run, perform yoga exercises on daily basis. Now let's talk about National Sports Day, as it has already been told that it is celebrated on 29th of August to commemorate the birth of the greatest hockey player in the history of the sports, Major Dhyan Chand. He was known for his extraordinary field goal scoring abilities, and under his guidance, India won 3 gold medals at Olympics, that is in 1928, 1932 and 1936. He is also nicknamed as the Wizard, the Magician, for his superb ball control. The Government of India awarded Shri Dhyan Chand ji India's third highest civilian honor of Padma Bhushan in 1956. So, to commemorate his achievements, the National Stadium at New Delhi is named as Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. He is really a great inspiration for all of us. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.